Graph each polynomial function on a calculator, describe the graph, identify the number of real zeros. I graphed all these on Desmos.com. Desmos, the online graphing calculator. So when you describe a graph, you describe it from left to right typically. So on A, I would say from left to right, it increases, then decreases, and then increases again. Now as far as the number of zeros, remember, zeros are where it crosses the x-axis. So I would say, well, it crosses 1, 2, about 3 times, right? So I would say it probably has 3 zeros. Now, if you look at B, 3x to the third plus 2x plus 1, from left to right, you would say there's a pretty steady increase there from left to right. And you could say it crosses once. So you can say there's 1 0. So look at C. From left to right, we have the x to the fourth minus 8x squared plus 1. So from left to right, you could say, well, it decreases, then it increases, then it decreases, then it increases. Right? That's a wild graph. Now, as far as zeros, crosses there, 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 and there. So I would say it looks like it has 4 zeros. For D, from left to right, I'd say, oh man, it decreases, then it increases the rest of the way, right? Kind of weird down there, but it still increases. As far as zeros, it crosses here and here, so it looks like it has 2 zeros. So I have the other ones here graphed, but I mean, you can kind of see it, right? From left to right, increases, decreases, increases. As far as zeros, looks like it crosses 3 times there. Okay. And then on B, 3x squared minus 2x plus 2, that's a quadratic graph. We already know the behavior of quadratic graphs. So we would say it decreases and then increases, and it has no zeros there because it never crosses the x-axis. So we would say there are no real solutions if we were graphing that, right? Or we have 2 imaginary solutions, right, using the complex number system. But that's it. We're just kind of taking a quick look at some of these graphs and their behavior. We'll get more to those later.